So just a heads up, this is running at 720p just for people that may be watching from a location that doesn't help them in the 720p region. So currently where I'm at is, so I've got this like rooftop area here. Let me switch to this view, scroll this up and turn all these on. So I'm using this as like practice, this building here. And right now I'm kind of detailing out these areas. I actually just figured out how to, like, if you go file and import, or sorry, maybe it's a link or append. I think link is the one I use. You go link and then you can point to another Blender file and it'll bring the Blender file in here, right? And then you can just, you can go to your recent and then go to that file. And any changes I make in here, for example, like if I dupe this and bring this up here and then save it and then go back to the station, you'll see it's actually updated. So it's kind of like instancing and all that stuff. What's up, Lucas? How you doing? That's awesome. How you guys doing? Dude, crazy. It says there's 7 people in here. I hope you guys are all doing all right. It's pretty late for me. It's 11:13. I just got home from a friend's birthday party, so I need to wind down, and what better way to wind down than to stream, right? I think my dad's watching too. Dude, check out this, right? Great water cup, right? Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna bring Pinterest up as well, so you can see what's going on here. If you link a collection as opposed to a mesh or an object, you can move the collection in 3D space in a new file. Yeah, so I can like put this wherever I want, and anytime I update the file, it'll go forward, right? Hey, make sure to, if you're on here, and you can, make sure to be, what is it called? Have the FTL setting on in your chat settings, so your communication's like instant. It's pretty awesome. It's probably one of the main reasons I'm looking at Mixer right now. For now, I'll be using it as like a off account, so it doesn't mess with my average viewer numbers. I'm trying to find like a good mechanical. I do this, where, font, empire, future cyberpunk. Oh, Jordan hasn't followed me yet. Astronaut. For anyone who's curious, that's my younger brother. Concept art, no. Cool designs. I think industrial is the one I'm more interested in because the shapes that are in here. Like, remember I always say, nice, Lucas. Very good. So remember I was saying like reference is like super important. By looking at this Pinterest, you can search some pretty good references, and they always lead you down a rabbit hole of better references or related reference. It's like, I like this one, right? And then I can look around and kind of see what's going on, see if there's any other good ones, and just straight up directly add it to the list. See, but if you go up here, there's some cool features in here. If we open this, let's do this. So if I get this little crosshair thing here, or this little magnifying glass, and click that, you can actually like shape search. Oh snap! 10, dude. Thanks, man. I love this point system. It's a cool way for people to engage with the streamer. So that you can draw this little piece out and focus on little areas, and it'll try and grab like the average color, the types of shapes, any metadata that it can dig up, it'll use to like help you locate similar shapes. Onshore River, what's up? Oh my god, is that the read I think it is? The read to read them all? A book that book's a book? Let's see here. So right now I'm just looking for shapes because essentially, where's it at? Let me get my pure ref up. Okay, so I got pure ref here with an invisible background. Let's go here and images. Let's load recent, new scene. I'm gonna zoom in. So right now, if you look at all the, if I turn all of these on, oh, we don't need the cutters. You can see that like this up here, this is on the roof of this whole building. So in this concept, I'm kind of focusing on this area here, and you can see it's pretty blurry. So it's quite difficult to. Hey, thanks for the follow, Jordan. Yeah. It is indeed read with an additional underscore. You can see how blurry this is, so it's kind of like you need to make it up on your own. Obviously, that duped piece up here I'm going to have to remove. But we're just kind of making up some shapes. I'm adding a little bit more interest on the top, and I think somewhere I need to add like an output for cables and stuff, similar to this stuff down here. Which actually, now that I think about it, let me see if I can edit. Yeah, this is the spline. I think I can actually Shift D and bring this up here, and I'll use that later. Go edit, and then we'll just we'll double click, press L on these to select all on the what is already selected, and then we'll just delete those and L X. Sorry, not everything selected. It's whatever is under your mouse. So you can see, you can press L, it'll select the extents of that that shape. So then you can do some cool stuff like moving this around and just kind of bring this into place and take this one, move it over here. And you're just kind of trying to figure out the shape that this would position itself in. If you select two and then right click and then press S, you'll subdivide it, which is adding a point. Right, so you can do this and this. Bring this down here. Let's see, and then it's like it's kind of it's resting on the. Cool. Redid it just for you. Yes. Man, Jordan, it'd be pretty cool if they had some classes in American high school that taught this type of stuff. So you can see I'm clicking and just dragging, and it's because I'm in this select move state. But if I press G, I can do that as well, and then you just type the axes that you want to activate. So this is Y, for example, and then this is Z. If you do like Shift Z, it'll go against the plane, which is what is that, X and Y? So it excludes Z, I think is what it's doing. So if you exclude Y, then you're moving on this space. So if you need to keep this flush with the surface here, you can then move it around. Martin, dude. Oh, look at these these non-profile picture accounts. This is great. You're level 1 as well. If you follow the channel, you'll hit level 3 automatically, I think. So they have a leveling system per channel, and then a leveling system for your account wide, which is pretty cool. Gotta start pushing those follows, right? Terrible. Anyways, we can get the rest of this into place, and then I'll just move on to detailing out the rest of this guy here. Hey Martin, if you're in chat, did you have you tried to work on your personal art that's in Eevee, and you have all of your props? Are you nesting collections to build a scene in the end result? Are you treating it very similar to like a game engine? It's something I was curious about because I didn't know. Oops. Oh yeah, you can also dupe if you select these and then press Shift D. You can dupe those points off, and it's all inside of the same object, right? And you can press X on these just like you're deleting vertices. Because in the end, these Bezier curves are still verts. They're a connection of 3 verts. Hey, we're doing pretty good, man, for not having a channel with followers. We got 9 people in here. That's kind of crazy. What's that about? Alright, so let's save this, and then we'll go recent. We'll go back to this top unit. And delete that. So there's not much to go off of here, which is why we had Pinterest up earlier. It's so happy. That's funny. Oh yeah, so let's find out where these connections are. I'm thinking maybe the top because the sides tend to get sunk into the scene so often. Like the roof cuts like right here, so you don't even really see much of the space. So maybe, let's go back to this view. Maybe these pieces are more over here. Just edit that. Bring that in like that. Let's get some see-through action. Let's bring this in here. And make sure. So some of the stuff that I look at, these are like the kind of subtle stuff that I guess isn't really ever directly talked about, but it's kind of something that you should be paying attention to, is the industrial pattern design, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, I'm about to explain it. So you can see this is way out here, right? And then this one was over here. Like in some cases, this looks good. You've got a space here and a space here that are pretty similar, so it kind of feels more manufactured. Space here, just maybe some headroom, and then space here that's a similar size and headroom. So when you take this, if you start trying to, it gets into uncomfortable territory. Like this is some of the more blatant stuff, right? So if it's really close to the edge, if the rest doesn't really follow that, it kind of starts to feel weird. Like maybe it's an accident. You could bring it right up to the edge where it meets the geometry. And then maybe that would be enough to convince the viewer that it's part of the embedding piece. And you see it kind of works over here. Like it's part of this structural frame. But what I was saying is like if you take... I'd lose those? Hang on here. No, they're there. What? What is that? Maybe they're not there. Oh. Oh. They are. Hang on. Come here, little buddies. Oh, their pivots are off. That might be why. I'm just gonna actually put them back. Or close. Just because I know a lot of the snapping settings for these decals is kind of set up to that. It's it looks like I dropped a little bit of frames. Did you guys notice that at all? 1% of the stream is dropped frames. Also, how's the quality at 720p? Oh. So I'm going to leave these and just kind of move this one. And the sizes that I'm going to look at when I'm bringing this closer is that this matches close to this. Just because visually it'll look like it makes more sense, or it's by design. The hell? Like, weird. I couldn't move that one. Where's that at in the hierarchy here? Decals. You're not in the decals. Some stuttering earlier, but good now. Quality is decent. The text on the right panel is pixelated. Oh, you're talking about here? So it's hard to read it, right? I wonder. So I'm really curious about how many people are viewing it at 720. Obviously, in this stream, you have to. But how many people actually are watching their streams at 720 instead? Yeah, this one's a child of something. How do you, is there a fast way to go to it in this list? Hope everyone's doing all right. It's pretty weird being on this platform. I like the chat though. It's highlighted. No, it's this one here. Definitely not highlighted. Oh wait. It's a different type of highlight. Oh, it is this one. Oh my god, it does work there, doesn't it? So if you press 0 or period next to 0 key on your numpad, interesting. Okay. Huh. So if I'm up here, got this all open, I'm like, cool, I'm here. And then at this one, and then I go over here, press F once, it jumps to it. If you highlight it, they will come. What are you talking about? Oh man, reads. Yeah, you think so? Dude, I still can't. My brain is weirded out by how quick the chat is. Like, I can have a real-time conversation with you. All I have to do is the moment you send a message, it's in my chat window. The lag between the stream and the chat is almost non-existent. It's kind of weirding me out. Dude, I planned for this. You see this water? One. Lucas, send it again. Again. All right, let's find some input spots, huh? So if I go here, if you have your 3D cursor on, which I believe you can turn on and off in here. Yeah, it's right here, 3D cursor. You see it's this little point that's floating around. Hold down shift and we're right clicking to move it around, and you can see it's snapping to the surface of the objects. But you'll also notice as I'm going down the side that it's rotating its axis, which is really nice because when you shift A and add a cube, you can, in the cube settings, kind of tell it to be like aligned to the 3D cursor, which is really good. And then you can grab that and shrink it down, and it's kind of aligned to the surface that you snapped it to. But to do that, I think you have to actually go in here and find 3D cursor. Oh, whoops, that's add-ons. Input, key maps. So in the 3D cursor settings for the 3D view, you don't change anything except the orientation is, I think it's either set to transform or none. But if you set it to geometry, then it also will always inherit the rotation of that of the normal that is projecting across. It'll kind of move with that. So you can, Lucas, if you want to try it even further, say snap, and then I'll snap my finger. My God, it's crazy, right? Yeah, it's amazing. The future. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, we can even do it raw here. So you have your text here. You can just type, right? Oh, sorry, there you go. I'm trying to expand the chat window right now. Yeah, it's really fast. You should read into their FTL protocol is what they call it. I don't know if I can handle this, like, chat window is pretty rough. I can't, do you know how to pop out the chat window? All right, later, Martin. So, you know, when you guys are watching the stream, sorry, I'm just gonna, so you're watching the stream, you can actually use this little gear thing here. Do that. This is kind of fun, and you can use the skills, and you can spend your spark points on little stickers, and they'll drop in chat. What's cool, like if you were to become a streamer, you get your own stickers in here. Dude, we can get giant Mario stickers. Look how big they are. I should have dropped one in chat. There you go. So it's kind of cool, and if they're custom, like, it's even more interesting, I think. I don't know. I'm having fun with it. I'm really actually liking Mixer quite a bit. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I think shift right here, and then... Nope, not a cone. What? Really? Maybe it doesn't show up in the mobile version. Hang on. Definitely does not show up in mobile. Oh, I'm like, where is it? Hey. Hey. Cool. I'm gonna need to build like a completely different layout for this. All right. I got what I need. Oh my God, 40. Can I do my own? Yeah, what is that? Ew. All right, Shift A, mesh, cylinder. Scale this down. Good to go. So you'll see I Alt middle click will camera hop to new locations, and those will be treated as the center point. See that? It's really nice. And if you have your faces selected, let me see, was it shift? Oh, without, it doesn't matter if faces are selected or not, but you can hold down Alt and right click or middle click and flick the viewport, and you'll get your side view and top view, bottom view. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. You can do that in the switch in the toolbar on the left to the 3D cursor. Wait, in here? Left toolbar, menu. Where's the, there it is. I'm reading chat now. Lucas, trying to show me new things. It's too late, my brain. Very top screwdriver. Pog, what's up, man? Welcome to the right side. Oh, you mean over here? Oh, you mean in this? Because it's the active tool, right? Oh yeah, so you can set geometry there, I guess, temporarily. Because it looks like that's separate from the options. Interesting. Yeah, let me know how you feel about it as a... Yeah, I think the options are default, and then you're overriding it when you're over here. Let me know what you think about Mixer. I'm actually really liking it. I've been using it as my primary, other than when I go to Twitch to stream. And then the whole Ninja stuff, man. Like I don't really follow Ninja all that much, but I mean it's pretty easy to see what's going on with him. And also, yeah, I noticed there was a huge flood in chat of people, which is crazy, and it was really surprising how much the streamers interact with their viewers and actually have a conversation. The salt is not strong here yet. Everyone's still pretty friendly. I assume with population growth that kind of becomes a constant battle. I do like that it's quite accessible for people that are using a console. That's kind of cool. Impact, what's up, man? I mean, DEF CON, jeez. All these different names, what's happening? Make sure these are set to smooth. Then we'll do auto smoothing groups based off the angle. Want it close, but not quite to that. That way we can get those nice little bevels in there. Let me bring this up, and then let's grab these edges. I don't know if Alex is in the stream, But dude, you just need to make an account, man. I can't talk on Twitch because I don't know. Hang on. Oh, there we go. No, I can. Not Twitch. I mean Discord. All right. Yeah, it's like 11:42. No, I just I wanted to stream. I'm not tired yet. I came back from a birthday party and I was not ready to lay down, so I was just like, oh, I'll just stream. But then I don't want to mess up the stream numbers that I have as well, right? On Twitch. Because you need a certain average to get partner. And if I ever am interested in a partner, I might as well start working towards it now just in case I get the opportunity, right? So, because of that, I just stream on Mixer when I'm not streaming on Twitch to keep the average viewer count as high as it's possible. Oh, what am I doing here? Weighted normals, there you go. Man, weighted normals are the best. They allow you to do so much. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Lucas, that's a problem, isn't it? Not my problem. They have to figure that out. I mean, I'd be on streaming on Twitch right now if it didn't hurt me like that. Let's bring that in. I think I'll actually bevel that edge. Like so. And then we can bring in a spline. I wonder if you'd... Hang on here. I'm thinking... Wait, is that even... There you go. I'm thinking that, like, maybe I should even do these cables outside of the 3D model, just because, you know, it's the cables could be unique, and then I can move this around wherever I need it. Wow, that is really small. These amount of bevels I did in here is not worth it. Birthday? Did I say birthday? Yeah, it makes sense, right, Lucas? I'll bring this out here. Maybe I can salvage this. If I make that, man, this sounds crazy, but if I make this outside edge even bigger, it gives me room to put the decals in, the decals. Just D, click this. Where are we at here? It's okay to slack, man. It's not, I mean, if it's a few days, you're not slacking. You're relaxing your brain, right? You're giving your brain some time to just chill. That's totally okay. So you can do stuff like that. That's cool. I think it's even parented. Yeah, cool. Let's call it that. Dude, I mean, if you need the break, you need the break. You can't force creativity. So see, if I save this and I go back here and go to the station, that detail should be on here. Oh, I can't see. Oh, it is, but not. What? Is there? Wait. There's something that's not in the inside of the collection. That cylinder. Yeah, see that? See that? You see that right there? What is this? Hold down Control, link inside collection. Hooray! Alright, save. Recent station. Show up, you piece of 3D. Alright, perfect. And if I go to this render view, yeah, it should all come in. Way too small. But you can't right now. That's fine. I can be your option while you get to that point. So it's still too small. That's cool. Let's do this. Oh, actually, no. No. You see, I'm just eyeballing this because I don't really care. It's fine. It's fine, man. Yeah, finish up your class first, definitely. Yeah, it should be. Whoa, I zoomed in way too much. There we go. This should be okay. I'm still triggered, man. Much better. Because see, compositionally, I'm like looking for an opportunity to like make this look similar in scale, and like looking at this bevel size and these bevel sizes. This is stuff that you should probably be thinking about. I said B twice. B. Let me dissolve that. I think this will be more interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, DEFCON. DM me about that video. Okay, so we got some type of input there. Maybe 2 would be cool. Is that crazy? That's weird. Oh yeah, Mario's he's chilling in bed already. Let's rotate this around. Dope. So yeah, so once that's in place, right, you can just go back to this. Oops. You can open recent. We'll go back to the station. You can see that that stuff's there on top. We can take this now. We'll just edit. doesn't fit, guys. It doesn't fit. Yeah, I do blink. Yeah. Yep, yep. So the cable's too the cable is too thick, but they were able to fit it into the hole on one end. uh, I just imagine the engineers that find that later and they're just like, ah, I bet this was Jim. I bet Jim did this. The guy can't read a freaking manual. Can't read a manual to save his life. Yeah, I mean, they just find the cable that fits, right? And they're like, all right, cool. This is good. Frickin' Jim. You need to learn, man. You gotta read those manuals. Call Jim. See, this is pretty cool now too, because like you can just kind of go in and grab all of these if you need to, and then just move the whole thing, minus this one, I think. Something like that. Maybe onto the side a bit more. Go back to the move key. It's also kind of important, I think, that you get some interaction between the two, just so that you can see them kind of being present in the same space. I'm just adding these points here. And kind of lift it over a little bit. It just kind of shows that interaction, which kind of, you know, helps fill in that void of believability. We'll figure out this side soon enough, I think. I'll just overlap these a little bit. So I'll put that overlap in. I wonder if I can delete that. Is it call Jim like call Sal? Or Saul, I should say. Flawless. Flawless. Ah, that's hilarious, man. Dude, look at this piece over here. This piece is super dirty. Gross. Dude, I'm having a lot of fun with the procedural material stuff. That's really fun. Man, come on. Come on, man. Wait, what? Whoa. Whoa. Sorry, concept. Oh, it's just a visual bug. Oh, that was weird. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool that you can just bake the map like that and then you're good to go. So I guess if we wanted to, we should be able to move the 3D cursor over here. And then if we snap it to vertices, there it is, it's right there. Does that, oh. So see, I'm trying to rotate it on that. Can I do it from the cursor though? Oh, wait a minute. That cursor is not right. Up top. Thanks, man. Wait, what am I rotating on? What is happening? Oh. Wait, what? So one thing I need to do is I want the 3D cursor view, none, transform. Ah, still doing it. Your 3D cursor. Active element? Is that what I think it is? So if it's like last selected edge, would that be the active element? Oh my god. That's kind of cool. That's what I was looking for. So, because this is the last selected edge, that's how it's pivot. So if I switch it to that one, yeah, and it treats that edge as the median point. That's great, man. Hope you guys are all doing well. I have no idea how many people are watching. I haven't set up anything to like try and look into that. So, what haves? I feel like every time we stream, I get to this song. Every time, without fail. There we go. Now I can bevel this. Four, thank you. I probably need to tell Machine about this, but if you click on this object and press tab, to hang on, let me save here. To when you go to open this, it crashes Blender. Like this one freezes, it opens a new Blender, but then it opens a blank file or a brand new like new general. Super broken. I probably need to make a panel that I can place on the roof that these go into. Well, unless we want to get really weird and they kind of like, you know, like this is a chimney pipe for like a fireplace on the inside or a furnace. If they'd like ripped open the top and you have like the line here, like it's like this. It's like this, right? And then this is all bent open. What is happening? And then they've shoved the cables down there. That'd be crazy. It'd be kind of interesting. Yeah, so I'll just flip these around. Cables in the chimney? Dude, what was this gym guy doing? Like, I mean, I knew he was devious, but man, this takes the cake. Ruining chimneys? What's the world coming to? Hiya! Man, can you imagine a stream where you're trying to focus on someone like Torfrick modeling, and he models so fast, but then everything that he's doing has a sound effect to it. It's like whoosh, 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 whoosh. That'd be a interesting stream to say the least. Man, when I work with these cables, it kind of feels like clay. I think it's the PBR value. Yeah, see how this is up like that? It's really weird looking. Just grab these and we'll subdivide it. Maybe add one more point. Maybe a little lower, a little closer. And then this one a lot lower. She wanted it to look like there's the tension in the cable as well from it being plugged in. Just like that. The other one kind of looks a little too weak. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, Lucas, that'd be cool, man. Oh, Lucas, my screen, or like when I go to objects and then edit, it's always pass through. And you see this, the X-ray, the overlay. You can turn it off, right? And then I go back into object mode, and then when I go back to edit, wait, am I even? Hang on. What is going on? Whoa, I can't even. Oh, I see what's going on. Sorry. This one, the X-ray. The X-ray is on. Let me see if it. Yeah, see, X-ray always turns right back on. Zero, thank you for the follow. Welcome, man. Must be a machine setting. It could be. It seems to just be retaining. It's like going back to what it was, and I always have to turn off the X-ray. This one's pretty cool. You should only turn on X-ray, or turn on in wireframe. Yeah, like this, and then you can do that. But if I go into this one, right, this is edit mode. Go to edit, it's X-ray again. It's weirding me out, man. Oh, I guess I brought that up. What's going on here? Oh, it auto welded too. Oh, there we go. There just wasn't an edge there. I was like, how do I select this? Whoop, face. How's it going? Welcome, man. Are you actually new? Have you never been here before? You're not from our little art community or anything like that? You're from the Discord. Oh, really? Okay. Cool. Slow that down to 50. Face and area influence. And angle, angle. Yeah, Mixer's really interesting. I find it really intriguing. It's funny watching you guys chill in here because you're not what do you call it? You're not used to it, right? So no one's posting stickers, for example. If you're logged on, you got a link that well, you've got a link to the account, so that allows you to generate currency. There you go. Yeah, it generates currency that you can use to spend on stickers. Now, for people that are partnered, this is kind of crazy. For people that are partnered, every time you hit a certain milestone, which they're kind of steep right now, in my opinion, but when you hit those milestones, they give you bonuses to your payout for the month, which is pretty cool. I think it's great for streamers, and it's a way for a community that can't necessarily give you monthly payments can like kind of support their streamer still. Hype zone. Oh man, someone's in it. But it's pretty cool because there's a profile XP which you generate, which makes your overall account change level, and then there's the other one which is basically oh wow, I gotta split. If you're sorry, I freaking lost my train of thought. So if you're dude, it's all gone now. What was I saying? As you can tell, it's getting late for me. You know what's really funny too about the lack of a delay in chat is it's very much more clear if it's awkward that no one's saying something versus like when you're like, oh, it must just be delayed, and then you just move on. Now it's like they're not saying anything. I just asked them a question. Why aren't they saying anything? I find that funny. Oh, I'm just gonna bevel these. I don't care. I can do some cleanup if I need to. Need this under one here and this one. Let's see what else we got going on here. We don't need those ones. If you want to spend those sparks, I mean, I could make a mixer board. So people make mixer boards and they can dump giant sparks. The other thing, though, too, is there's ones that you unlock as you level your profile. You should see that in like a second tab. All right, let's see about this material. So we got these ones. This view. I wonder what this material would be. Probably like a metal sheeting. Yeah, you can change your profile and your user pick. Because I noticed everyone's kind of not. Dude, Lucas, if you're streaming on here, we can co-stream at the same time and it syncs both of our chats. It's freaking crazy. Nope. Alright, what are we looking at here? So we got this top piece. We should give it some color. I feel like this whole building here needs to go into a separate collection. So I think these would be part of it as well. Let's grab these. Well, hang on. Maybe this and these, since these are part of the window, and then another window that's actually part of the building. The rest of this stuff's kind of like add-ons, right? So you can just slap them on the outside later. Jojo, what's up, man? How you doing? Hey, dude, got me some rocks. Dude, those look like rough rocks. Do I plan on streaming on Mixer more often? I think whenever I stream outside of streaming hours, I will do it on Mixer. It's also, dude, I really like the delay. What are you testing? I don't know what you were testing. You're like, feels good, man. I'm like, good. I forget the, is it pattern? It's not here, is it? Is it like this? And then select previous element? No. Control Shift plus. Oh, thank you. Yes. Thanks. I'm like, yes. So I'm going to leave these separate just because I don't want to have to deal with the modeling problems of like lowering the poly counts of these ones versus this. Shrink this down. Make this nice edge. Dude, I want to try the sculpting branch. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, you see this bevel was acting weird? Look at this. Like, what's going on here? What is happening? It's the, if you select the object and press N, you get this panel on the right side. You go to the item. Wait, am I reading this right? Hang on here. Tool? View? No? Machine? Oh, I got machine and, oh, I didn't even realize those are there. What is happening? Wait. Why? It's like I'm so used to this stuff being here. But if you press Control A, you can get it here. If you say apply all transforms, you can see the data here is all kind of different information. So that's going to affect your tools. So just Control A, all transforms. And now the edge, man, this song should just, Yeah, 0. It's pretty fun, and you gain XP when you're just chilling there too. Oh man, that guy Bryant. What's up, man? How you doing? Little B Henderson. What made you switch to Mixer? I didn't switch. I'm affiliate, so I can stream on here as long as I'm not streaming at the same time. You know? But I mean, I actually like the community here a lot. Not specifically like for a lot of you guys, this is the first time you're on Mixer, but from the streams I experienced over the weekend, um, it just seemed to I don't know. It was just easy to talk to people. Does that make sense? Like the streamers were much more friendly, much more active, even with high viewer numbers, which was kind of crazy to me. Um, yeah, it's just it's pretty friendly here, which is cool. It's pretty friendly. Okay, we need a cone up here. Hopefully that answers your question. That's a pretty common question people are getting that are on Mixer, or people that are in chat, like brand new to Mixer. Like, why are you? What are you doing here? Like, what happened, man? What happened? So, but for me personally, it's cool. I like competition. It breeds innovation. But it's not necessarily about one winning over the other. Whoa. All right. Why are you not on Justin TV anymore? Dude, you know what I was on? I was on Blip TV. I did do Justin TV just for a brief moment, and then they renamed themselves to Twitch. But yeah, I was on Blip TV. I went there because day 9. Oh, that's weird. What? I'm getting used to this. So shift snaps? No. Ignore snap. Let's see. Angle constraints. Nice. Z to cut through. Oh, look at that. That's what I was looking for. Ah, the good old StarCraft 2 days. Dude. I streamed a lot of StarCraft 2 early on. I'm gonna leave that point. Whatever. Whatever. Man, if I would have started the Empire back then, dude, we'd be huge by now. Am I creating an entire environment from a concept? I mean, I'm following a concept, this little piece here, but I'm not trying to. I'm not gonna make a whole environment. I essentially started making this piece to like get used to Blender because I didn't know how to use it. I would argue that I still don't know how to use it, but we're getting there. Kind of want to... Okay, I'm going to do it. Whatever. I need a cube. Give me cube. What race did I play in StarCraft 2? I played Zerg. I even got to Diamond like back before they had like Grandmasters and all that stuff. What is going on? Well, that was weird. My brain just was like, nope, you don't know how to do that. Like, why? Actually, what am I doing here? Let me just get rid of these. Just gonna turn the origins on so I can see them. It's this little dot here. That's all I need. Yes, bisect. Yes. Victory. Oops. Not victory. No. You're the chosen one. There we go. Have to go into object mode, then apply the modifier. And then to geometry, and then edit. Give me that top view. Lucas, that's great, man. Not wrong. Hang on here. Joe. Dude, oh my god, that's so funny. So I was in the mindset of trim. But yeah, no, you're right. So if I go mesh and then go cube, and then just scale this down and do this, and then grab these and inset them, right? I can't even inset right now. Come on. Use your fingers, then. And then, what is it? How do you bridge between them? Because I think you could do that, where these two are selected and you're good to go. Is it just connect? I mean, I guess if you're in face mode and you delete the faces and then grab the loops, you should be able to connect those, right? Man, I can't even remember what the connect button is. That's so funny. Dun, dun, dun. Just delete them and F on fill. But I mean, if you connect these and you press F, right? It just caps them. Oh, right. So if I select these and then just press F. Woo. And then I guess I can press F on this and then select these verts. Man, we're getting some heavy music here. Hang on. There we go. Your way might have been quicker. I mean, I was thinking in trim sense, but it only benefits you if you're doing something unique to the shape, right? Mine's just... This is probably one of the coolest parts about 3D streaming, though, is like you get to see how weird people get. Like, what's he doing? Oh my god, he's just building a box with an extrusion through it in reverse. Dude, the best part is I'm gonna bevel these too. Oh no, I can't yet. No. It's true. No rules. Only epicness. So I'm gonna select this and we're just gonna Control F to focus on this guy. Dude, this music's freaking intense. Just make sure these are connected. And then I'm going to dissolve these edges. Just using Shift R to repeat the action, and then we'll just bevel this. So the shape I'm looking for on this bevel is more about the extrusion I want to do on the bottom here. Man, this music's so freaking epic. Only results count. So true. So true. I need more water, guys. Thanks, Lucas. You're never gonna know that. You're way back here. It's fine. Oh, are you talking about the overhang? Like, it's just gonna rain this way, straight in. What are you even doing, man? Alright, I got you, dude. I got you. Perfect. It's too big, but that's a little better. Like, dude, guaranteed nothing's getting in there. Also quite terrifying. Yeah, I think it'd be pretty easy for stuff to go way wrong. It's a pretty old design, right? Just join these here. There it is. Let's take this on. Maybe I can just get rid of these. What? Why? Are you planning on using solely Blender? I know you used Modo before. No, I fully switched, even at work. I kind of want to bend it. Like... So if we go into vertices, and then start to move this one. Wait, how big is the... What? Hang on. How big's the... See the scale of the... Oh, I'm weirded out. I have soft selection on, right? With smooth. Proportional size. You can see it up here when I start moving it, right there. As far as the industry standard, if it does, it'll be a long time from now. But I think it's going to start penetrating into the industry. It's still missing some pretty key elements to be fully usable, but I think it's... You just need some tools people to help you out. You're safe using, like, I wouldn't be scared about, like, oh no, I use Maya, you'll be fine. Yeah, I believe what Lucas is saying on that. That's probably the weaker part. Dude, this is really weird. Okay, so how do I reset my... Oh, is it right here? 10? There we go. I found it. Okay. What? Oh, I'm so weirded out by this. I used to be able to scroll to... Hang on. I'm going to make a new... As I'm moving that around. Let's just grab this. Grab that, press O for soft select, and we'll just go to the move tool. Yeah, there it is. When you scroll. Weird. All right. So it works here, though. You see what I'm saying? Let me recent station. All right, so I'm in face mode. So I can't scroll to change the proportional size. Oh, right. Good, 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 good. Yeah, no, this is all zeroed out. Dimensions, yeah. Well, yeah, it says it's 1, right? But you see I'm scrolling, and the proportion size is not changing value. It'll change down here. See here? So now, if I undo that, there it is. So I had to bring it within view. It was too small either way. I see what I'm talking about, dude. This is like, you can do this. It's good. Just kind of bend the stuff around. I like it. Oh, so when it's 0, 0, 0, it's just not gonna scroll because it has no like number to exponentially grow on. Is that what you're saying? Okay, so these walls and these, I was saying earlier, these need to be all one thing. Those are separate props. All right. Roof too. Take the chimneys as well. Let's make sure we got everything. Cool. We need a new one, new collection. We're just gonna press M. Wait, what? Don't you just select these? Press M. Remove from local view. What the hell is that? What is local view? Uniformed wind. You can change the settings to make it that way if you really need it. Oh, this is nasty. The geometry here that I'm making. Forbidden territory, my friends. I needed that to be smoother though. Jandra, I think that stuff already exists actually. Yeah, so it's perceived as nothing is going to happen, right? Because it's just going to take too long. So I want to select these. Yeah. I'm going to crush all the transforms. And then I'm going to... Isn't move, M for move, to move it into a collection? I guess it's because it's not all out here. Yeah, I guess so. So it's because it's just part of the roof? Oh, that's weird. And they don't all move? That's so funny. It's one at a time, guys. So I guess I've got like a different hotkey or something then. When I press M, it says remove from local view. I probably need to go and see which plugin is doing that. Hmm. Interesting. All right, I'll look it up later. Oops. Oh. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, that's strange. Not sure, man. I'm like, why is this one visible too? And all of them, I guess, are visible, but maybe I got rid of them? No, they're here. Oh, they were just... Yeah. I had the focus on, which is another plugin. There we go. All right. Is there a way to save a collection out into a new scene collection? Dun, dun, dun. Well, you guys all got to get some user profile pictures, man. All I see are blue faces. You can append the link or the collection. Oh, that's true. So you mean if I... So, okay, let me save this. So you mean if I made a new general, and then... I guess I grab this, right? Delete that. And append. Oh, man, I gotta know where I... This is where I'm running into a problem because I've been using this. I don't actually have the paths anywhere. And then when I save, I don't get the prompt. There we go. Oh my god. John Joe, dude, that's cool, right? What the hell? Was that really loud? I heard the, There goes all my lightning. There's sparks, man. There's sparks. Alright, station. And collections. I think it was called Collection 8. Or no, I renamed it. Top House. Oh, dang, and it just imports that? What? So is that what you're talking about, Lucas? You can send a GIF at level 20. Man, okay, so are those now because they've been appended? Because I watched your append video and I guess this part didn't click for me. Yeah, so this one's a copy, correct? All right. Yeah, so if I took this and duped this up here and then saved this as top house, and then I went back to recent station, discard that. Yep, this is still here, but now I can link, correct? And I could locate top house and then link from library. Right, there it is. All right, cool. And I guess the pivot's down there because I haven't moved it yet. Dude, and that comes in, okay. And so if I go recent, oops, not that one, tap house. And I delete that, let's grab these. What is going on? That was weird. So we got the origin there. I think some of the objects have their pivots, yeah, way up there. So just select everything. And then cursor, origin to 3D cursor origin, and then geometry pivot to origin, or to cursor. I'm like, wait, what the hell? I still need to import it. There it is. There it is. Oh wait, so that came in on a link, didn't it? Wait, what? So if those are linked, does this actually, if I do this? No, I didn't think so. Okay. So I have this collection and I need to instance it into the other scene, the station. And then I need to place these in a way where it's the same spot. Let's undo one of those. So, Lucas, is that, so I should be using append, yeah? You'd link it? So when I do file link and then go to the collection for it, right? Double click that. It's here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now I can't edit it. That's good. Okay. Alright. Thanks, man. Let me see if I hide this. Or not hide this. What? What? Wait, what did I just do? There we go. Just need to drop that outside there. I can turn that off and delete that. Alright, so now this is actually the instance one. Dope. Dope. Right, so then if I need to edit this, I just go here and actually work on the top house. This one here. So anything I do onto this will end up going over. Yeah, I just take this and dupe this up here. And then save this. Should be. Yeah, see, there's another one up there now. Oh my god. Samo, what's up, man? All CGI. I am completely deep fake. Like, it's not me. It's Mario with Jeremy's face mapped across it. I'm gonna go to bed here in a minute. It's 1 in the morning. But I appreciate you guys coming through. Yeah, what are your guys' thoughts on Mixer? You played around with any more of the settings? There's a plugin to add theater mode to this. Yeah, I'm really liking this though. The its emote game is weak. There is that. But yeah. John Joe, that's hilarious. I mean, I think if there was a way to add third-party emotes already, it would have happened. Because it's a big complaint that people have. Oh no. Ah. Is it working? What's going on here? Oh, it's probably because I got the AO lower. Yeah, it's down to... There you go. Oh man, now you guys are getting used to those stickers. 0, we can only dream. That's all we can do for now. But dude, that'd be cool. I think, yeah, right now their emotes are probably the weakest thing. But that's, I mean, I don't think that's very difficult to fix, right? The whole, like, being able to react to you guys immediately is really exciting. I'm still on Twitch. Though, I mean, it really depends. If enough of you guys are using this and are interested in it versus Twitch, then we could switch. What would happen is I'd lose my affiliate, so I wouldn't get subs from Twitch anymore. But I'd be able to stream on Mixer and then restream to Twitch. So technically, if you wanted to stay in Twitch, it's still there. And then I just need a chat client, which Restream offers, that allows me to see all the people that are chatting in both channels at the same time. Somewhat, that's awesome. Well, thank you. I wonder what this looks like with the... Oh, what am I doing? This is this! What is happening? take that and we'll hide it, and then we'll take all these guys and we will delete everything. There we go. Oh yeah, you gotta get more cuts on that. Look at that. Dirt, 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 dirt. Oh, Lucas, you wanna see? Dude, it's actually pretty funny. Let's have a better object to be looking at it with. Actually, let's just grab really simple things. We'll just grab these. We'll just put the... I don't know how to assign materials easily, so we're just gonna do it like this. Oh, this one too. Why not? Cool. He knows. I think he wants to see how I talk about it. Alright, let me close this. And then we'll go to shading. We'll bring this down. We got this area here. Hide this. Hide that. This area here, dude, it looks pretty cool, right? It's just, so it's ambient occlusion. So you can turn it up. It's all screen space. But you can see that the rest is really low resonance because I was tiling it pretty heavily for the other stuff. So what I'm doing here is I've got a texture coordinate that's using object UVs, and then using this mapping to actually, oh no, I'm just using this for the tiling, change the tiling amount. Then I'm giving it one texture, which is this one here, this grayscale, and then I'm switching the flat to box, and then running a blend for where you get edge blending. So this is doing triplanar. Then I'm using a color ramp in combination with the ambient occlusion node, blending those two together and getting the this mask. I'll see if I can just bring this over here. Yeah, so this is the mask I'm getting, which you can see there's some weirdness going on here. But that must be the blend amount? No. Rotation maybe? Nope. I guess the objects UVs are kind of whack. Generated maybe? Yeah, it fixes it. Let me see if I can... Oh, interesting. Alright, well. Just reconnect this back. So, that's the ambient occlusion. That tells it where the masks are to blend between two materials, one being this rust one that I'm generating with some color sliders, and then the other being just the roughness value with a base color for the metal. So these are two separate materials, and I'm blending them together with a mix shader, and then using a mask. So it's just like Substance Painter, or a Substance Designer. And then the output is the final result of the shader. Although, just remember, ambient occlusion is what's applying the rust right now. That's this node here. If I wanted that to happen real time, I'd probably have to bake the AO. Or if I wanted to have it happen in the shader, not be screen space, I mean. No, I don't know, Samo. Wait, so what is theater mode? Let me see. Oh. You guys just all leveling up now, just grinding that XP. Okay, so I've got my stream here. You talking about when you go full screen? Yeah, I mean, it's basically the same, right? Except you have that top bar up here. Thomas, but reversed. That's hilarious. Samo. No, you're Samo now. Yeah, when it's full screen, it's that and chat. Yeah. And then when it's... Nice, John. But I mean, then you have the full screen button, which I think will full screen weird on my screen. And then I guess you lose chat. Is that what you're saying? I wonder if you go full screen like this and then click the little... Nope, you don't. Nope, you don't. I'm sorry. There's nothing to save you. Nothing to save you now. But there's the plugin. There's a plugin somewhere. I forget the name of it, though. I'm not using it. Samba, that's a bit hacky. Oh, man. I said I was going to go to bed. I need to go, guys. Yeah, it'd be even more accurate, Lucas. For sure. What color should these be? Yeah. And the roughness. Sheen, transmission. Huh. Samo, nice. Good job, dude. All right, guys. I'm going to get out of here. Have a good evening. I need more water, and then I need to sleep. Thanks for hanging out, though. It was good. If you guys like these, let me know, and I'll keep doing them. Through the, through Mixer. All right, I'll see you guys later, huh? Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh no, look at that. 720p. You destroyed my life. Like, repair it. Repair it real time. Repair it real time. You got this, Din. You got this. Everyone's rooting for you. Oh no. There it is. Alright. Oh man, look at you guys. Oof. Oof, center. Dude, I can't even see right now, man. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Save those points, huh?